So he did that in the belly directly because message from God. Okay, even the hilt went in after the blade and fat closed over the blade, for he did not draw the dagger out from the blade. The entrails came out. Shivaba. Then Ehud went out throughout the porch and shut the doors of the upper room, left him and locked him. अभी मैंने मारा है यार, ऐसा कैसे 4 लोग देखेंगे? उन सबको पता है मैं सीक्रेट पता नहीं गया, मारने गया कि क्या। मैं उसको बंद करके लॉक करके भाग जाता हूँ. When he had gone out, Eglon's servants came to look, and to their surprise, the doors of the upper room were locked. अरे ये बंद कौन किया? So they said, he's probably attending to his needs in his cold chamber. कुछ तो करता रहेगा, लॉक किया है ना, मतलब उसका कुछ तो जा रहा है, जान दो, हम क्यों जाए. So they waited till they were embarrassed, and still they had not opened the room. अरे बोले राजा क्या कर रहा है इतना एम्बेरसमेंट थोड़ी. हम इतने वाइज लोग हैं, हमें क्यों उसके कोर्ट के बाहर रखने का है, हम अंदर बैठने चाहिए. टू देयर एम्बेरसमेंट दे वर स्टैंडिंग आउटसाइड. इतना क्या कर रहे हैं? Therefore they took a key and opened them, and there was master fallen dead on the floor. But Ehud had escaped while they delayed and passed beyond the stone images. Okay, now ये सबको भाग के आ गया. And it happened when he had arrived that he blew a trumpet over the mountains of Ephraim, and children of Israel went down to the mountain. And then he said, follow me, for the Lord has delivered you from enemies, the Moabites, into your hand. At that time they killed about 10,000 men of Moab, and stouted men of valor, and not a man escaped. So इनसे कोई बच के भाग नहीं पाया. So Moab was subdued, and okay, same cheese happened. Now, judge of Shamgar. After him was Shamgar the son of Anath, who killed 600 men of Philistines with an ox goad. Good, okay, and he delivered Israel. इसके बारे में ज़्यादा नहीं लिखा है, मैं सेम चीज़ happened again. Obviously, after this again they might have, this one might have died. What's his name? Ehud died. They cried. No. Ehud died. They sinned. They cried. And again now this same cheese is happening. So God is like, okay, I'll put this in one verse only. In one verse, God finished this. So judge of Shamar, he killed 600 men of Philistines. So first was Mesopotamian, then Moabites, and then was Philistinites. Yeah. Okay, now there is Deborah and Barak. When Ehud had died, the children of Israel did evil in the sight of the Lord. So the Lord took them into the hand of the king of Canaan. Fourth enemy is Canaan now. See, I told now God is leaving them to their enemies to test them, but they are always failing. Such a failure, book of failure. Literally. And children of Israel cried out to the Lord. Now Deborah, a prophetess, was judging Israel at that time. Wow. 3 लड़के 1 लड़की आई अभी. See, there is Othniel, there is Ehud, there is Shamgar, and then there is Deborah. Deborah. She was judging Israel. And she would sit under palm tree of Deborah between Ramah and Bethel. These two are places in Israel. In mountain of Ephraim. She would sit under palm tree. Okay. And children of Israel came up to her for judgment.
That is her own tree, no? Deborah's tree.
Palm tree of Deborah. Then she sent and called for Barak and said to him, has not the Lord God of Israel commanded, saying, go and deploy troops at Mount Tabor with 10,000 men of sons of Naphtali and sons of Zebulun? And against you I deploy Sisera, the commander of Jabin's army, with his chariots and his multitude at river Kishon, and I will deliver him into your land. And Barak said to her, if you will go with me, then I will go. If you will not go with me, I will not go.